Okay, fair enough. So my understanding then is we don't have an answer to that question. My concern would be taking one course of action will narrow any ability to bring any other action that you might see as appropriate, especially in light of the fact that many of us discussed the fact that you need more information to make the decision you're going to make. And I don't think we as a community want you to give away an important asset till we have all the information to make the right decision. So that would just be my point. Thank you.
That's right.
Then maybe I can, since this is the issue that has been brought up, I want to make a motion that we do not approve the purchase option as Sutter has alluded to us at this time, and ask for a independent opinion from a second opinion attorney to give us every option that's available to the board to preserve San Leandro Hospital as an acute care facility, and also making sure Eden Hospital is rebuilt. Barbara, did you take the words down?
Not verbatim, no.
Could you please take it verbatim? That's the motion.
Also, the resolution in closed session was that we would also initiate.
No, will not. In light of what Ellen has told, I'm making the motion that I'm making. You can always make a second motion, Raj. My motion is the way I've made it. And will there be a second?
Second.
Okay, now we can discuss.
Okay. My motion is.
Wait, there is a motion on the floor.
Right.
You have to discuss it, vote on it, then you can bring in something else.
I would suggest that we proceed with the mediation at the same time, the dispute resolution at the same time, because if we come back from a second opinion that says otherwise, we still can back off from the mediation process or resolution process and go with whatever the second opinion is. So I would recommend, that's my suggestion.
Respectfully, I don't think you can do both.
And respectfully, that's what I've heard, and that's respectfully Carol has heard. So I think when you have multiple opinions that say that, I think, delaying it by a couple of weeks or 3 weeks to get all the options of us by a second opinion attorney will be in the best interest of the people of this district.
Any further discussion? All right, those in favor of Dr. Sawhney's, say aye.
Aye.
I don't have enough information to vote.
Pardon?
I don't have enough information to vote.
Okay.
Harry, you say aye? Aye.
Okay, carries.
Yeah.
Now I want to come back to another issue that I'd like to bring up. I have an article here which I think many of you have seen, that in the last 2 years when Sutter has been getting out of Marine General, and there's an article here everybody probably has seen, that Sutter siphoned off $88 million from Marine General Hospital in 2007 and 2008, and the district board did not even have the knowledge of it until 2 months ago. And this is the track record that Sutter has. And in view of what we have seen, I'm making a second motion that the board hire an independent auditor to review all the books that Sutter will be submitting to us for evaluating the sale price of our asset, San Leandro Hospital.
Yeah.
That's just a fair thing. I do not want to take the numbers they give us. We want to have an independent auditor. And the reason I say that, even just yesterday, there was a conversation at Eden Hospital Lounge where physicians were saying the MOU allowed at some point, and I have not read it, I'm giving it as a hearsay, but this was the discussion, that MOU allowed Sutter to have district pay for all the indigent care. So district actually was paying for the indigent patients that were provided care at San Leandro Hospital, and the discussion was that Sutter may be charging us the full rack rate rather than the cost of the care to these indigent patients. And I think stuff like that needs to be looked at by the independent auditor to know what the real losses are And I think the purpose of this motion would be to be able to see independently what actually is being done by Sutter and not just accepting the numbers that they give us. So that's the reasoning for the motion.
She seconded.
I seconded.
Yeah, I know it's seconded. Any